Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2 for the PlayStation 4 and 5's weird sound noise you get in the PlayStation 5 menu. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So I just got myself 700s last night from Best Buy, and I was playing on my PlayStation 5, and on the menus I noticed there was a weird distortion sound that you keep getting whenever you're going through like the different menus and clicking on the icons, and even like the home music. It sounded very distorted, popping, weird, hissing. I don't know how to describe it, but it was absolutely terrible. But I was able to go ahead and fix this very easily. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5 right now. I'll show you exactly what I did, and this will help a lot. So this pretty much got rid of the problem for me. So on my PlayStation 5, let's press the PlayStation button, just bring up this like little quick menu right here, and then go down to sound. So my Turtle Beach headset is plugged in right now. You can see with the output device. Now go to headphones right here. Now by default, I believe your headphones are like right here. So you want to turn this all the way to the right, just like this. Now lower the sound volume on your Turtle Beach headset just a little bit, and you'll notice the crackling, the popping sound will go away just a little bit. So now that we increased our headphone volumes all the way to the right, and we lowered the sound volume on our headset, let's go over to the phone app right now, and I'll show you how to get the app. Now this app is very useful. So on my phone, let's go to the Google Play Store, and then just type in Turtle Beach right there, and the Turtle Beach Audio Hub will show up. Install this on your phone, then open it up and connect your headset to your phone. So let's go to keep in use. So I'm on the app right now. Go ahead and turn on mic monitoring, and turn your mic monitoring down just a little bit. There's a lot of feedback that gets picked up when you have it too high, I believe, and you'll hear like that little bit of cracking noise too on this. So turn it down just a little bit to the point where you can't hear your voice very loud. So it's not picking up other things like in your environment. Maybe you're playing and there's like a fan in the background or something. You're hearing that fan when you're playing, or your furnace is kicking in and it's blowing air right next to you, and that's why you're hearing that poppy noise. Also, you do not want to be in super hearing mode. Super hearing mode on the PlayStation 5 right now is kind of broke, where you're going to hear that hissing, that popping noise quite a lot more. So turn off super hearing mode on your headset. There is a specific button for it. Go ahead and turn off super hearing mode. Otherwise, you can adjust it right here on this menu, where you can turn it down like 5, 10, 15% versus 100. Now let's go to the game preset. So right now it should be on like signature sound, which is fine. That worked out for me, and I didn't have a lot of popping noise or anything under signature sound. But let's go down to custom, swipe to the left, and press edit. Now this is what I have set up on mine. Mine is kind of like the game treble level is all the way to the left. Game bass is kind of quarter. You can increase the game bass. I haven't noticed if I increase that, I won't get any like more static or popping sounds, but the game treble level and the game dialogue level, whenever I increase those, I will notice I will have more game like popping and weird sounds. If I increase both of these, I'll hear like hissing or something like this. So play around with it, but keep those two lower, and game bass level shouldn't be as big of a factor, and save it and back out of this. And those are the two main things. And also you'll want to put on your noise gate. So swipe right on your noise gate and put that on. That's absolutely a must-have. Noise gates are absolutely excellent. This will get rid of a lot of those low-end noise, those hissing sounds you get if you do have your mic monitoring a little bit too high. So the noise gate will cancel out the low end sounds and the high end sounds. So it's great to have that on. I have that on my microphone right now. I'm talking through my Blue Yeti, and you don't hear a lot of key clicks whenever I'm doing things in the background because of that. So that is my current setup. That is how I got rid of this hissing noise, that weird menu sound. I don't know how to describe it whatsoever, but go ahead and follow that, and hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out and fix your weird noise sounds with your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2s for the PlayStation 4 and 5. So go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.